angle, and I just want to tell y'all, if you can subscribe, I'm gonna have my channel, and if you can subscribe, please do. And I've already drawn a couple of pictures. I'm using my tablet right now. This is one of them. Wait. Can't quite get it yet, sorry. Well, my best friend is going to be on here with me sometime, and my dog is here. Oh. This is one of the pictures. It's supposed to be Circus Baby. Can't really see it. My camera angle's messed up. That was one of my drawings. I have some other ones as well, but I don't want to show her because I'm still working on it. But I have that on it. Yeah, so I guess that's really almost all the pictures that I have. Oh, I created a character. It's Marionetta. It's my puppet's sister, basically. I tried to do the withered. I couldn't draw her body because I don't have big enough pages. It's just a little bitty notebook. But I have her, and this is just a getting started video for everything. So yeah. Hold on. You can see it, right? That's it. And I guess that's really all the pictures that I have. So this one was a little bit short because I don't really have enough time. It's like 5 o'clock in the morning. So yeah. It's like 5 o'clock in the morning. I woke up a while ago. I've actually been up since midnight. Made another one of Baby. It's basically like the same thing. It's just without the body. Now, I made her have long hair because I like making them have long hair instead of their short hair. Actually, they don't even have hair. Only Baby and Ballora do. This is Foxy. I'm still working on Freddy, so I'm not going to show him till the next video. Bonnie, I haven't colored, but I did draw him. Bonnie. Chica, I messed up on her hair. I couldn't get her hair the right color, so I just added a bunch of colors. And that was Fun Time Chica. So I guess that's gonna be all. And like always, see y'all in the next video. Bye bye. Bye.